Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm gonna discuss about how to backup your any kinds of apps on your SD card or on your phone memory. Sometimes we have download lots of apps from Play Store or anywhere else, right? And sometimes we need to delete it. We need to uninstall the apps, but in future when we will need it, that time we need to download it again from the Play Store, right? So that's really problematic because sometimes we don't have any kinds of data, and sometimes we don't have any kinds of internet connection, right? So that time how can you actually install that types of software on your phone? So that's why you need to backup your Android apps or any necessary apps to your SD card, so that when you will need it, that time you can easily install it on your phone without downloading. So before starting, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like that video. So let's start. So first of all, for that you will need to download one kinds of apps from Play Store first to backup this ID, to backup these apps. So you will need to download the Android Assistant or Android for Assistants. You will get these apps, and then click on the install button and then click on the accept and wait please. Guys, this is really helpful because sometimes we don't have kinds of internet, and that time if we need any kinds of important apps to installing, that time you can easily install from your backup. I have saved lots of internet data from these types of process because I don't need to download it again, because I restore or I backup my apps, important apps, on my SD card. So after installing, click on the open icon. Now here you can see lots of things. I will discuss it later, but for backupping your data, here you can see the backup and restore. So click on it and you will get all kinds of data in your phone here. So let me backup. If you wanna backup the all apps, that time you can click on the check all option, but I don't need to do that because I have already backup it. So let me backup. Okay, I wanna backup the router setup page, so just click on it, and here you can see the backup option, right? So just click on the backup and your apps will be backup. So let me show you. Then go to your my files or file manager option, and then go to the internal storage, and here you can see the Android Assistants app backup, right? So there are lots of apps I have already backup. So here you can see the router setup page. So if I now delete the router setup page, and that time if I need it again, that time I don't need to download it from Play Store. I can install the apps from this backup sector, right? So by this process you can backup any kinds of file or any kinds of apps to your SD card or internal storage. And one more thing, you can move it to your SD card, because sometimes we reset or we delete our internal storage folder, right? And if you don't move it to your SD card, that time you maybe lose your data. So just select the SD card and move here. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks. Do comment, give like, and do subscribe.